Happy Boxing Day. I'm going to do an unboxing from my Christmas present my boyfriend gave me for Christmas, and I haven't looked at it yet. He did say it was yarn. And so, oh, it's a Mary Maxim. Look at this, very nice packaging. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday and you got everything that you were hoping for, or lots of wonderful gift certificates so that you can go out and get those things you were dreaming of. Oh, I can feel the Mary Maxim blanket bag that they ship them in, even through the, oh yeah, these are different. These are smaller than I'm used to. Usually they ship in the one giant blanket bag. Oh, these are nice. Oh, and they have the same yarns in them too, so I can do a bigger project, which I like. This is a cozy cocoon, Mary Maxim. Oh, it comes with patterns. Okay, now I see what I'm looking at. This looks like a baby pattern. Oh yeah, so these are a bunch of different patterns. Some of these might be online already, but it's nice to have them as a, paper form. This is really pretty. I've been thinking about this yarn right here. It's got like a marled look. It's Karen, yeah, it's Karen Simply Soft Marled. I've been looking at that for a while online, and it's really silky soft, just like regular Karen. Okay, this is the Mary Maxim Twinkle yarn for babies. It looks like it's a 2-weight. No, it's a 1-weight. And it's a really beautiful gray. But it doesn't actually have glitter in it. It's called Twinkle, I think, because it's a baby yarn. Like, I don't know, like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star or something like that. And here's some more Twinkle in pretty green. And here's another gray. So I got 3 of each of those colors. I got 2 of the Karen Simply Soft. Oh, so this is a brand I've never heard of called Euro Baby. It's a 55% acrylic and 45% cotton. The color is called Sweet Dreams. It's got a taupe and cream mix. It looks like a self-striping yarn, a little bit longer than some of the short variegated color changes. So this will be really interesting to use on a large stitch like C2C. I think might be really good for that. And it has kind of a extra overwrapping like pearl cotton. I don't know if you've ever heard of like pearl wrapped yarns. That's what that reminds me of. Ooh, glimmer. This is Mary Maxim's own brand of acrylic yarn. And by the way, these are mostly acrylic yarns so far, except for that Euro Baby, yeah, brand. That one's half-half, cotton and acrylic. This one is, I'm pretty sure it's acrylic. I remember looking at this online. Yep. Only 3% of other, which is the glitter yarn in it. So this is a 4-weight, and this has a really nice kind of brick red color. So you can do something a little more like old time Christmas, whereas this one is a little more bright red. Ooh, this is the Fair Isle brand. I don't know if you guys know that the Fair Isle yarn company went out of business. I'm not sure if it was 2 years ago or last year. I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. And I still get some of this in the Mary Maxim mystery bag. So if you're ever interested in trying out this brand, you might get it in your mystery bags. I haven't seen it. I've looked for it online, and the Fair Isle website is no longer in use. You can't actually look at their original website. So anyway, this is called Kodiak. It's probably discontinued because the company is no longer in business. And this is Crimson. It's a thick and thin worsted, like it's a 4-weight, but it's thick and thin, and it kind of feels like microfiber. Oh no, it's 100% wool. So it's almost like it's been pre-felted for you, and it's thick and thin. So it's really interesting. This might make an interesting pair of gloves if you don't have a wool sensitivity. And oh, Patton's Classic Wool Roving. So this is 100% new wool, and it is a beautiful color called Frosted Plum. I don't know if this is discontinued color or not. I'm going to have to look this up, but I really like it. And it looks like I have another one in the other bag. And we have Scrubby, which is a, I think, nylon or acrylic. This one's called Stream. This is Red Heart Scrubby. I'm trying to see, what is it made of? Polyester. Okay. So this is good for adding to a like cotton if you are making kitchen items for like scrubbing pots and pans, or even if you want to make face dishcloths, washcloths for your face. But you should add this to cotton because the cotton will be absorbent and will hold up longer under like hot water washing. It may shrink a little bit, but the polyester scrubby is it's polyester, so it's not going to be as absorbent. So you want to hold this with another type of yarn, and I recommend cotton for kitchen and like face cloths, just and like scrubbies, face scrubbies. So the other mystery bag looks like it has a lot of the same things. It has another Kodiak from Fair Isle, and 2 more Karen Simply Softs in the, what colorway is this? It's called Harvest Red Marl. It is really cool. I know I don't really want to buy a lot more acrylic yarns. I just want to kind of, you know, be gentler on the environment. But oh God, Karen Simply Soft is probably one of the most softest, silkiest yarns, acrylic yarns out there. So I got 3 more gray twinkles, and the color is called light gray. And I got 3 more green twinkles, and it's called grass. And I got another one of these really pretty Patton's Wool Roving, and it's thick and thin, but very subtly thick and thin, 1 ply. And another Scrubby pack, 2 more glimmers. So this is exciting, and it's in the same color, and it's called Orange. So but for me it looks more like a burnt orange or a brick red. So yeah, it could be a Victorian Christmas. And then here is the very curious Euro Baby yarn. It's worsted weight acrylic cotton, just about half and half acrylic cotton. So this is all, oh, and some more patterns. Looks like the same ones. So yeah, overall I'm really happy with this yarn. I was surprised that there was some natural yarns included, and some yarns that I had been looking at online, like this Glimmer and this Karen Simply Soft Marled. I'm really happy with some of the surprises, like the Baby Twinkle. It's really soft. This is a Mary Maxim brand. And I've got some beautiful Patton's 100% wool in a beautiful color. So I'm really happy with everything so far, and I hope that you, and there's a kitty, that's Priya. She's the one in my very first video who stole a ball of yarn and was singing to it. She loves yarn, and I think she likes wool the best. I think that's her favorite. So say hi to Priya, and Merry Christmas to everyone, Happy Hanukkah, and I hope that you enjoyed your holidays, and please come back and see me again in a week. I'm going to take a week off and come back raring to go on January 1st. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.